This is a memory exercise I've been practicing. This is a normal deck of cards. Just all the cards are in there. But I have hopefully memorized the order. So what I'm going to do, oh, we can cut it. Let's cut it, just normal cut. But I have to look at the top card to know where I'm at. So let's look at the top card, and that's a 5 of clubs. So the next card should be the 8 of hearts. Now, after the 8 of hearts should be the Jack of spades. Now, after the Jack of spades should be the Ace of diamonds. There's the Ace of diamonds. After the Ace of diamonds, we should have the 4 of clubs. Yep. Now the 4 of clubs, let me see, it was the 7 of hearts. How about the 7 of hearts? Yeah, the 7 of hearts. Now after the 7 of hearts was the 10 of spades. After the 10 of spades should be, wait a minute, the King of hearts. Oh, the King of diamonds. All right. You know, I can make a mistake. The King of diamonds, and after the King of diamonds should be the 3 of clubs. Now after the 3 of clubs should be the 6 of hearts. After the 6 of hearts would be the 9 of spades. And after the 9 of spades, well, you get the idea, all right? I just have to keep doing this over and over again so I don't make a mistake. Thanks for watching.